the Winter Fair virtual food hall this year, there are over 40 Welsh food and drink producers, and we've made a selection of hampers for you to give as gifts to your loved ones. Yn y neuaddfrwydd rithiol ar gyfer y Ffair Aeaef eleni, mae dros 100 o gynhyrchwyr Bwyd yn arddangos ble llwch chi fynd ati i brynu'r cynnyrch yn uniongyrchol o'i gwefannau nhw. A mae dyn ni fan hyn detholiad o hamperi a syniadau i chi roi fel anrhegion. Dyma hamper y ddiodydd Cymreig ar gyfer y Nadolig. Here's a Welsh Christmas drinks hamper for you. Beth am ddechrau'r bore gyda bach o win pefriog o gasm gyda gwahanol flasau fan hyn. We've got 3 different flavours of the flavoured Prosecco with sloe, plum and raspberry for you to start Christmas Day with. Neu ginseng bach, cinnamon greu sydd gyda fi fan hyn, along with llanllir tonics. Or we've got another gin which is an elderflower gin liqueur from Condessa, and there's a lovely cream liqueur as well from Condessa. Dandy Jones whisky i fynd ar y diwedd, a digon o gwrw, cider a phob math o ddiodydd. So plenty of Welsh ciders and beers for you to enjoy Christmas. Iechyd da!